Hi, this is Steve Crypto from Goshen Arbitrage and Crypto Trading Platform. So today I want to show us how to use some indicator for those who are watching my videos on futures trading. So let me go to my futures trading page. This is it. Okay, I'll be showing us a particular indicator called Bollinger Band. It is represented as BOLL on the chart. Now, if you are familiar with my videos, I have done videos to show you every features on the features page. Okay, so I go to charts. By the way, we are trading. We are on the BTC USDT contract. So I'll be using this one and another one to show you. So this is how it is. So you come to these features to make it white. Okay, you can now see that the graph is what is white. Now that's the chart is white. Okay, so I'll put off every indicator. So this is just the candlestick, the bars. You can see this is just the candlestick, the bars. So you can see these are the price action going up and coming down, going up and coming down. I'll do a video to show you the different type of candle bars and the sticks later. But for now, I want to show you how to use the Bollinger Band. So remember, this is a time frame. So I'll be using a 5-minute time frame. It works with all time frame. So we'll be using a 5-minute time frame. Okay, this is the time frame. So now these are the technical indicators. So I want to show you the Bollinger indicator. I put it on. This is it. So for you to use Bollinger indicator, you need to understand that we have three lines. We have the upper band. This is the upper band. This yellow line is the upper band. We have the moving average line. This middle one is called the moving average line. Then we have the lower band. Now, if you are trading futures and you need to do your technical analysis, okay, as a day trader, that is, you trade within a day to take profit. It can be 5 minutes, it can be 15 minutes. Some people use 1 minute and 2 minute, 3 minute interval. They call them scalpers. So now, if you want to do such trade, you observe that when the price rises and touch the upper band, there is usually a rejection and there is an incoming downtrend. So at this place, when it hits the Bollinger Band, the lower Bollinger Band, and a bit crossover or hit it or crossover a bit, you anticipate what? An uptrend. So if you had bought here, it means that you have been in profit here, because at this point, I want to come to this point. At this point, you can see the price is 23,591. So if you have bought here, at least you have long the trade. If you have long the trade, then you would have made profit on this axis, 23,870. So for Bollinger Band, one rule is that, but you must be on the trade. For you to do this kind of trade, you must be on the trade. And one rule is that once it hits the upper bound and goes out a bit, right, you will be able to anticipate a downtrend. Yes, you'll be able to anticipate. You'll be anticipating a downtrend. You can see that at this point, it hit. There was a downtrend. It hit here. There was an uptrend. It hit here, a downtrend. It hit here. There was an uptrend. That's how it has been going. It has been going. And when you see the band are getting wider, it means the volatility will be high. That is, the price has a tendency to go up well, because the bands are far apart. If you can see this place, the bands are not far apart. That's why you see the volatility is not high. So now see this band very far apart, and when the price when the price hits this place, let's say it hits this place, you can see it hits this place. Now there was a consolidation between here and here, but still yet there was an uptrend, and immediately it hits the Bollinger Band and crossed a bit, it calmed down. That was a downtrend before it started going up again. So this is how to use Bollinger Band. And if you are to use an indicator well, you need to use it with other indicators. I've given some kind of tutorial for MACD, for RSI, and for moving average. So you'll be able to use this in line with the MACD to make profit. And if you want to know more about technical indicators, I'll be releasing videos very soon. And also that's for my paid premium class to know everything about trading and investing in cryptocurrency, and futures trading is also involved. And also, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe if you gain anything, and also like and comment. Let me know in the comment box what you need me to do, what your questions are, so I will respond to them. And you can use the WhatsApp link in my description to my WhatsApp channel, so that you can give me a DM. You DM me, so in case you want to join the class. So there's many things in package for you, so we'll teach you everything, and I'll be releasing it also with the launch of a book if you need that. Okay, there's a price attached to that, but it's better to know how to trade than to give somebody your phone to trade for you. And also, it is advisable you learn from experts before you launch into trading like futures, because you can easily lose all your money and you can make good money there also. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to this channel. I appreciate it. So remember what I said: the Bollinger Band, the upper band, the moving average band line, and the lower band. And also, the major thing for scalpers and day traders is that you must be on with your phone, and you must not be greedy. Once it hits the line, the Bollinger upper line, and goes out a bit, and the other things to use with it, that's why there is a premium class, you are expecting a downtrend, and that's how it goes. So quick, let me go to the other one. Let me go to another contract. Let's use QNT and this. So let's look at this chart. You see from this chart, immediately it hits the Bollinger Band and cross over. There was a rejection, immediate rejection. You can see. Okay, let me put it back. There was an immediate rejection here and uptrend. Immediately it touched this place, it's going up. This week here was a green candle before it turned to red, and you see it came down. That's how we trade. That's how it is. Yeah. So there are other things to learn to use with this. You can see here there was a downtrend, right? You can see there was a downtrend, real downtrend. If you had bought at this rejection here, now you have shorted the trade. If you have short the trade at this place, now you'll be in massive profit by this place. I actually traded this place to this place. Thank you.